Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the hang and restart problem in your device Samsung Galaxy M23. So if your device hangs while using or restarts automatically, you can solve this issue by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch the complete video and learn how you can solve the hang and restart issue in your device. Let's watch the video.